Instagram profile music not showing. So here are the reasons and solutions you can try. The first reason may be feature not available in a region. Instagram gradually rolls out features and profile music may not be available on countries. But if it is available on your country but you cannot still find it on your profile, then all you have to do is go back to the home screen and look for the App Store for iOS and Google Play Store for Android. So I'm using the iOS device, so let me just tap on the App Store first of all. Then search for the Instagram, and from the list of the devices or list of the options available there, tap on the Instagram. And if you see update option available right next to it, then update it to the latest version. Because if your Instagram app is outdated, new features like profile music won't work properly. Once you update it, you will get to see the new features available in your Instagram. So even after this does not work, then this might be because of Instagram bug or glitches. Temporary bugs may cause profile music to disappear or not load. So it's just temporary, it will be back within soon. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.